In this lesson, we will deal with the cockpit controls, including the landing gear indicating units, landing gear lever, and landing gear panel, as well as nosewheel steering, NWS, hand wheels, and gravity extension hand crank. We will also look at the external towing lever and the visual down lock indicators, which are located in the avionics compartment and on the upper wing surfaces. Two independent position detection systems each supply one landing gear indicating unit. This allows you to monitor the movement of the landing gear and doors during retraction and extension. Each indicating unit provides information for the left main gear and door, the nose gear and door, and the right main gear and door. The door indicators on each unit show whether the doors are closed or open. The gears indicators on each unit show whether the gears are up and locked, not locked in the selected position, or down and locked. The landing gear lever controls the green hydraulic supply for normal extension and retraction. There are three positions you can set the lever to: up, neutral, and down. Select the lever to move it to up to retract. The landing gear lever is moved to up after takeoff, and the landing gear is retracted. After a normal retraction, you set the lever to the neutral position to cut off the hydraulic pressure to the landing gear. Do this now. Now we'll look at how the landing gear is extended. Select the lever to move it from the neutral to the down position. Hydraulic pressure is once again applied when you select the lever to down. In this position, the landing gear is extended. Let's look at the takeoff phase again. If, after takeoff, the landing gear does not satisfy all three retraction configuration conditions, then the lever is locked to prevent an unsafe retraction. If you have not set the landing gear to the down position when in the approach or landing configuration with altitude below 750 feet, engines not at takeoff power, or one at idle and the other not at takeoff power, and the slats and flaps extended, or the flaps at 40 before landing, the red down arrow will illuminate and the ECAM warnings will activate. As you learned earlier, the landing gear lever is locked when the landing gear is not in the retraction configuration. This configuration and the position of the gears are monitored by two independent systems. The position detection switch allows you to activate one of these independent systems. The warning test push button tests the landing gear not down warnings to ensure they are fully functional. Select the warning test push button now. When pressed, the ECAM display and audible tones are activated. The landing gear not down arrow comes on to confirm that the warning is working. Nosewheel steering is available using the rudder pedals or hand wheels when supplied by the green hydraulic system. For the hydraulic supply valve to open, the following conditions must first be met. The towing lever must be in the normal position. The nose and main gear shock absorbers must be compressed, and at least one fuel lever must be on. The Nosewheel steering system can provide two steering ranges. The first, using the rudder pedals, limited to plus or minus 6 degrees, and the other, using the two interconnected hand wheels, limited to plus or minus 65 degrees. Select either hand wheel using the left and right control arrows, or select the forward icon to continue. These are the hand wheel controls. Select one now, or continue the topic by selecting the forward icon. When either hand wheel is turned clockwise, the other follows because of the mechanical linkage, and the nose wheels turn up to 65 degrees right. When either hand wheel is turned counterclockwise, the other follows because of the mechanical linkage, and the nose wheels turn up to 65 degrees left. The nose wheel can also be turned by a tow bar, limited to plus or minus 95 degrees when the towing lever is set to the towing position. This position deactivates the nose wheel steering by isolating the green hydraulic system. A gravity extension hand crank, which is stowed in the right-hand console, allows you to manually extend the landing gear in an abnormal situation. The handle is inserted into a protected floor fitting and rotated clockwise to a mechanical stop. Operation of the handle will isolate the landing gear from the green hydraulic system, unlock the doors, and unlock the landing gear to allow gravity extension. With the landing gear gravity extended and the lever in neutral, unlock indications show that the landing gear is no longer up and locked. To clear these, select the lever to move it to the down position. With the lever in this position, the landing gear is shown down and locked. However, the hydraulic doors remain open and the nose wheel steering is lost due to the green system being isolated by the gravity extension. Visual downlock indicators can be used when the normal indication is faulty to provide a mechanical check to ensure that the landing gear has been extended and locked. The red and white main gear indicators are located on the wings and can be viewed from within the cabin. The green nose wheel indicator, however, can only be viewed by looking at the nose wheel with a torch from the avionics compartment via a window. The avionics compartment can be accessed directly from the cockpit by a crew member.